Now we have the answer officially, of course, on who will be the Chief Minister of Karnataka. It is DK Shivkumar, but there are questions of who the Deputy Chief Minister would be. We have accessed details from within the Congress camp, and there is a lot of buzz that Priyank Kharge could be the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. In fact, there has been a special puja that has been held for Priyank Kharge. There are many Congress workers who are backing him for the post. So he is one of the strong front runners for the post of the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. Is he going to be the Deputy Chief Minister or not? That's the question, because remember, the Congress party is also looking at the caste balance. DK Shivkumar is a Vokaliga strongman, and Rahul Gandhi was clear he did not want it to end in a way where it looks like an OBC strongman like Siddaramaiah has not been treated well. So there will be those caste equations that the Congress party will be looking at. Who all will be part of the cabinet? That is one question, and who all will be the deputy chief ministers? There have been a lot of speculations that there could perhaps be 2 or even 3 deputy chief ministers in Karnataka. Final decision has not been taken, but it is likely that there will be a Dalit leader representation from the Dalit community, from Lingayat community, as well as from the minorities who will be a part of not just the cabinet, but will also be represented as deputy chief ministers. We continue getting you all these details from Karnataka. Neha is joining us with the details. Neha, there's a lot of buzz now. Of course, the air is cleared on who the chief minister will be. It's clear that it will be DK Shivkumar. Tell us the details of who could be the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಗಂಟೆನೋ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಖಂಡಿತ
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಚಿವ ಸಂಪುಟದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಚಿವ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ?
ಸರ್, ಯಾವುದು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದು ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಈ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ 1 to 1 ಅವರೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. CLP ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CLP
ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪುಟಕ್ಕೆ DCM ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪುಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ.
ಅದೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಕಾಯ್ದಿರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ.
After 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock.
No. 3 o'clock. That's where action is likely to pick up, with Chief Minister also likely to hold a press briefing, and he will also be visiting the governor's office. We're keeping a track of all these developments. Slipping into a short break. We'll be right back.